In the precision connections of the industrial world, every fastener bears the weight of safety. For 2 decades, Qewitco Fastener has been dedicated to this seemingly tiny yet crucial field. Quality starts at the source. We strictly select high-quality alloy steel and test the chemical composition of each batch of raw materials using a spectral analyzer. For high-strength bolts, the carbon content of 42C RMO alloy steel is precisely controlled between 0.38 and 0.45%, ensuring the final product achieves a tensile strength of 1,200 MPa. On the multi-station cold heading machine, the raw materials undergo precise plastic deformation. Each stamping process is carefully calculated to ensure the head shape and shank dimensions meet micrometer-level precision. Threads are the soul of connection. Through the thread rolling process, we form precise threads on the bolt surface. This cold working method not only ensures the precision of the threads, but also enhances the product's fatigue strength. Heat treatment is the key to performance. In the continuous mesh belt furnace, bolts are precisely heated, followed by oil quenching and tempering. Based on different operating environments, we offer a variety of surface treatment solutions. The thickness of the zinc flake coating is precisely controlled between 8 to 12 micrometers, and it remains intact even after a 1,000-hour salt spray test. This is the ultimate test of quality. On the universal testing machine, each batch of products undergoes a tensile test. 12.9 grade bolts must reach a tensile strength of 1,220 MPa, with a yield strength of no less than 1,100 MPa. From precision small screws of M1.6 to heavy-duty bolts of M72, and from standard parts to special customizations, Qewitco Fasteners' product line covers all areas of industrial applications. For 2 decades, Qewitco Fasteners has remained dedicated to the tiny yet crucial field of fasteners. We interpret quality through professionalism and forge trust with craftsmanship.